My name is RVV Swami and I'm from Kajluru, and I'm excited to share my AI chat application, and I'm using Monstack in this project. Let us start with the project overview. Hi. AI give response like, "Hi there, how can I help you today?" And I'm give some question. Difference between the React and React Native file lengths. I'm asking that question. AI will give response like that. I am using Gemini API key from Gemini 1.5 because Gemini 1.5 is available for free. That's why I'm using Gemini 1.5. In this application, I am included some features like clear chat. I'm click the new chat, they add new chat, and I'm going to the chat, delete this chat, clear chat, and delete the whole chat. Then click the delete option and delete all new chats. This is my project, and explain the code. In this project I am using shadcn for components. You can see the button, and you can see the sidebar. These all are from the shadcn UI, because shadcn UI in React most famous for components. We can use any component for free. That's why I am using shadcn UI. And also colors, themes. These themes and colors I am using shadcn only. These colors from I am using shadcn, directly used from shadcn colors. And I'm in this application I am using Tailwind CSS, because in Tailwind CSS supports like components, like component free websites like shadcn, signup UI. These websites provides components. That's why I am using Tailwind CSS. You can see my code. I am not using CSS, I am using Tailwind CSS. And also you can see my project has Gemini API key. I'm Gemini API key use 1.5, and I'm using Supabase, because Supabase right now free resources. This is alternative of Firebase. Supabase. This is the Supabase. In this Supabase, I have to create one project, AI Chatbot. Supabase provide Postgres SQL storage and authentication systems like continue with Google, continue with LinkedIn, and some kind of like email password. These kind of authentication system provides, and Supabase give storage like 5 GB storage will give the free time. It will work real time. Like you can see response will come very fast because I'm using Supabase. That's why I'm using Supabase. In the Supabase, I'm creating edge functions. Right, I'm creating deploy a new function. They will give you a name like chat with Gemini, and I'm giving URL. In this function, I have create secrets. In secrets, there are Supabase URL, Supabase key, and I'm adding Gemini API key here, because Supabase as independent right now. I think you can see I'm giving Gemini API key, copy, and add my Gemini API key. I can add Gemini API key, save here, then save the Gemini API key here. Directly Gemini API key connected with the project. In this project, you have to check out the Supabase and client.ts. In this file, you can check the Supabase URL and Supabase publish key. These two are from Supabase. These two are from Supabase URL and Supabase key. These two are to use directly connected with the Supabase and use Gemini API key create with the chat application. In this application backend check to I'm using Express.js, and you can see the outputs. You can see the code. I'm using React because React is faster and deploy free websites like Vercel and OnRender. These kind of websites provide free deployment because React is a framework. That's why I'm using React. I'm thinking using Next.js, but present I'm using React plus TypeScript. Yeah. That's why. Thank you.